you saying the nephew had a prescription for amphetamines and dextroamphetamine?
Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes, Your Honor.
But the pill bottle doesn't say that.
Right. She didn't want to put all those, she just needed a bottle to put those pills in for the time she was watching the interview. That's all it was. Yeah, and then she did, after the fact, she went to the police station and she brought in the sheets of the prescriptions to the police station. Of course, it's not stated in the report. But all of it, as I mentioned, we can contest that everything happened. It's Marissa's doing today that she wants it to get done and over with, showing her maturity. As mentioned, I would have loved to random this prelim, but that is what happened. She was just being an aunt, watching her nephew, who was on these prescriptions. The officer from the very beginning was fishing for something, because he knows Marissa. The school, I know all the police officers know everyone here. But she was just being a good aunt. She was being a good sister. That's all it really was.
Okay, so hold on, Sayed, come on. I mean, so you're condoning your client's actions by placing pills, Schedule II narcotics, in a bottle that doesn't contain that prescription.
Your Honor, it was just a bottle used to transport for the nephew.
Why would you need a bottle to transport? Why can't you just use the bottle that the prescription came in?
All the same pills in that bottle. He needed certain kinds of prescriptions.
Why would she mix her prescription with the child?
There was no prescriptions of hers in that pill.
There was Vyvanse.
Well, I guess you shouldn't have Vyvanse either.
Why was there Vyvanse in the bottle?
It's for the nephew, Your Honor.
Vyvanse is for the nephew as well?
Your Honor,
So the child's got two separate prescriptions?
I believe he has I don't know the medical history of the child, but from my indication and my investigation, he has multiple prescriptions.
Well, you were ready to run the hearing today. Don't you know that? Do you know if the child has the two separate prescriptions?
He does have multiple prescriptions, Your Honor, yes. But nonetheless, Your Honor, it was a brief rebuttal. As I mentioned, it was Marissa's maturity that we got a resolution today. All I ask is just time be suspended and the probation went concurrent, and she stayed in removal court. She's still doing a really great job in her sobriety. She has not tested positive for anything in over a year. She's doing really, really good. And it's all from renewal court and this court. Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, I have to say that the way you handled this situation, Ms. Mucciarone, in placing a pill bottle with these kinds of drugs in a bottle without the correct prescription in your bra, seems kind of odd. And you may have an explanation for it.